And
be a good first game between these two. I think Jolie could really make a nuisance of himself here in the opening game. Was another tough rally. Nice touch from Jolie at the front of the court. An absolute brute of a rally.
No.
Error in the end coming from the racket of Jolie.
5 game balls for the Warrior.
(11-5) game to Castagnet.
So
Castagnet leads 1 game to love.
Well, quite easily say that's the perfect
4-2
drop shot. Beautiful open racket face there from Jolie. So Jolie trying to open up here. He's got to be positive.
7-5.
Oh, Castagnet's movement again onto that ball.
Yeah, but I mean it's unbelievable because
7-8.
you thought that Jolie had won the rally with the shot previously. The quality of Castagnet with his retrievals and the way that he's playing this grinding, intelligent squash. He's moving the ball around the court. He's not just going up and down the walls, but Phil, what can you do to win a rally at times? This is some of the best squash I've seen Jolie play in this second game, Drew Boy. You know, he's been patient, he's been positive when he's had the opportunity, and that's the first really lax unforced error.
Well, until that point, he's been consistent, hasn't he, as well?
And the unforced error coming from Jolie, much to the dismay of the crowd.
It's 2 games to love.
Oh, he's gone and got it.
This is unbelievable.
Wow.
This has got to be a tagged rally for sure. Castagnet takes a moment.
Brilliant stuff.
Oh, it was awesome. So entertaining. A couple of crowds standing up there. Looks like they've got cramp.
It was the one where Jolie had given it up and then ball
7-5.
came up off the back wall.
So Jolie finally broken. 5 match balls for Castagnet to enter into the quarterfinals here at Canary Wharf.
Out.
And there's the squeeze. That pretty much sums up the whole match there.
Match to Castagnet.
Well, 49 minutes of quality squash, and it's a bit unfair for Jolie, really, the scoreline there. But Matthew Castagnet overcoming the Englishman. 11-5, 11-8, 11-5, 3 games to love.